Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video we talk about vegetable gardening. So let's get started. Vegetable gardening is a rewarding and fulfilling activity that allows individuals to cultivate their own fresh, nutritious produce right at home. Whether you have a sparkling yard or a small balcony, vegetable gardening offers a plethora of benefits. From the joy of watching seeds sprout to the satisfaction of harvesting and enjoying homegrown vegetables. At its core, vegetable gardening involves the cultivation of various edible plants such as leafy greens, vibrant tomatoes, crunchy peppers, and an array of other delicious and nutritious vegetables. It provides an opportunity to connect with nature, promote sustainability, and take control of the food we consume. One of the major advantages of vegetable gardening is the ability to grow organic, pesticide free produce. By adopting organic gardening practices, individuals can ensure that their vegetables are free from harmful chemicals, resulting in healthier and safer food options for themselves and their families. Vegetable gardening also allows for customization and experimentation. Gardeners can choose from a vast array of vegetable varieties suited to their preferences, climate, and available space. From traditional favorite to unique heirloom varieties, the options are virtually limitless. Moreover, vegetable gardening can adapt it to different gardening styles, including traditional in-ground plots, raised beds, vertical gardeners, or even container gardening for those with limited space. In addition to the numerous health benefits of consuming fresh vegetables, gardening itself offers various physical and mental well-being advantages. It provides an opportunity to spend time outdoors, engage in physical activity, and connect with the natural world. The act of nurturing plants, witnessing their growth, and reaping the reward of successful harvest can bring immense joy, reduce stress, and foster a sense of accomplishment. Whether you are a beginner, embark on your first vegetable gardening adventure, or an experienced gardener looking to expand your skills, the world of vegetable gardening is filled with endless learning opportunities and the joy of reaping what you sow. So grab your gardening tools, prepare the soil, and get ready to embark on a journey that will not only provide fresh and delicious produce but also nurture your love for nature and the art of cultivation. Please like and share our video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks and inspiration. Thank you for watching.